welcome back to my channel for another nails video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve neon rainbow French nails from the comfort of your home. You can easily do this nail style, however, it's gonna take you some patience and some time. So grab your favorite drink and snack and watch this video, or you can bring your nails kit and do it at the same time as me, and we can have fun doing it, and I can give you all the instructions that you need throughout the video. If you happen to have more questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below, and I have more information in the description box if you'd like to check it out. Without any further ado, let's get started. For this nail style, I chose 4 colors in addition to the top coat. So I chose yellow, orange, pink, and white, which is the most important nail polish because it's gonna be the foundation for the French tips. And the 100% acetone remover because we need a strong acetone. I don't ever recommend using the acetone free nail polish remover. A very long time ago I used it and it actually burnt my fingers, and I happened to be traveling internationally and they couldn't even take my biometrics at the airport. It caused me some complications just because I used the non-acetone nail polish remover, because when you're holding on to the cotton that's imbibed with the non-acetone nail polish remover, you don't really realize active ingredients are acting on your fingers. So you just hold it and before you know it, it's already damaging your fingerprints. So pay attention to that. If you happen to use a lot of 100% acetone remover, make sure that you apply Vaseline on the parts of your fingers that don't need any acetone. This way you will protect your skin and you will protect the area surrounding the nails from burning and from any damage. Without any further ado, let's get started with the style. So the first step is going to be doing a freehand painting of the nail tips with white nail polish, and then going in with a nail brush, preferably an angled flat nail brush, and drawing the smile line of the French tip. Move from the first side to the other side, and then you can do the curve in the middle. It'll be easier than going from the side then to the center then going to the other side, because you would have to have a very clean border and you don't want to wipe too much of the nail polish and then have to correct it again and again. So the safest way to do it is to remove one side of the nail polish, draw like the curve, and the second side to draw the curve again, and then you draw the curve in the middle to have like a beautiful smile line. Then if you feel that your nail polish is not opaque enough, you can apply a second coat, and then going in with the nail polish remover on the brush and drawing the smile line, trying to wipe the excess that you don't need. The second step is picking your colors. In my case, it's necessary to have that white base because I need these bright colors to really show, and it would be a much deeper and opaque color if you apply white as the base. So my colors are neon yellow, neon orange, and neon pink. To do this, I apply first the yellow coat. Again, correct it with the nail polish remover. So we apply the yellow nail polish color, then clean it with the acetone nail polish remover, then go in with the orange color, try to mimic the same curve as the yellow and give enough room for the yellow to show. So when you're done with the orange nail polish, make sure that you clean the edges, and then the last step is going to be, once you have like a perfect curve of the orange, you can draw the pink color. Once you're done with the pink color, don't forget to lock your nail polish with the last color that you used. So the tip of the nail could be locked with pink, then the middle parts could be locked with an orange color, then the initial parts of the smiley French tip could be locked with the neon yellow. But it's up to you. It gives you a little bit of protection and it helps your nail polish last a little longer, especially if you're using a lot of water. Then of course there's more impact on the nail polish, especially that we're not curing the colors, we're not using using hard nail polish like gel, like dipping powder, like acrylic nail polish, and then applying the clear top coat as a final finish. And that is it.